Hey, I get it. You're trying to build your online business, but you never seem to have enough time to do everything you want or need to do. So how do you get more time so you can help more people? Well, stick with me today because I'm going to give you my tips for saving time. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. And in this video, I'm going to give you 4 tips that I've found save me more time and help more people and therefore make more money, which I suspect is what you want to do, right? The thing about the online marketing world that you'll find, if you haven't already, is that there are an endless number of distractions. Every day you can be tempted by the latest shiny object, which is a real problem for online entrepreneurs, or a new social media platform to learn, or there are just the hurdles that life throws at you. Managing your time is crucial if you're going to be successful. So I'm going to give you some simple tips or hacks, if you like, to help you have more time to serve your community and make more money. And this is an important consideration. To make more money, you don't necessarily have to work more hours to make more money. In fact, you have to work smarter. And one of my mentors, James Wedmore, taught me that the less he works, the more he makes. And it comes down to using these tips to reduce the amount of hard there is in the work you do. So let's dive into the 4 tips to save you time and make more money. The first one is pretty simple, and one you have probably heard a lot about lately, but maybe you aren't doing it yet, and that is to batch create your content. Now, when I started to create my content in batches, I finally realised the advantages of this concept. By simply scheduling a time in my week where I create all my social media content, I was able to save hours. It's simple, really. If you have to get into the groove of creating content multiple times a week, there's a whole heap of time you waste doing the simple setup steps for your content creation process. When you do it in batches, you'll find you get in a flow and the posts tend to be created more simply and quickly. Now, I schedule my social content for a Saturday. It works for me. And I get it all done for the week. Now, some people will batch create even more than a week in advance, which is totally fine. However, I like to have a feel for what's current for the week ahead and to be on top of what I want my content to achieve in any particular week. So don't be afraid to create more than a week if that's what works for you. The second tip is to focus on one platform at a time. And when you're first starting out, the temptation is to try to be everywhere on every platform. It's what the gurus are doing, right? So why not you? Well, the thing is though, the gurus are generating the dollars to have a team of people doing the work, which you won't have when you first start. So focus on one platform and get really good at it and get results before moving on to a second platform. This is a simple time saver because it just means you don't have to worry about all the other stuff. Just create your content for one platform and move on. Not only does it save you time, but it also saves you worry. And trust me, I tried to do everything at first and it was a massive mistake, huge stress, and ultimately a massive failure. So keep it simple, one platform at a time. Now, the third tip I've got for you is to create videos. Now, what do I mean about creating videos? Didn't I just say focus on one platform at a time? Well, yes, I did. However, this tip is about how you can help more people more efficiently. What you'll find is, as you start working with people, is that there are a number of consistent questions they'll have. So one way that you can save yourself time and provide them with a great solution is to have videos that give them the answers to their questions. And the best way I've found to do this is with these types of videos right here on YouTube. When I'm coaching someone and they raise a common question or struggle, there's almost always a video that I've created that gives them an answer. So you can refer them to the video and you're done. Your people get a good result and you have saved a heap of time not having to continually spend time on topics or questions that you've previously created content for and answers for. This is one of my favourite tips because people love it and it's really effective as well. Now, the fourth tip is a continuation of the third. So you can have a heap of videos that produce answers for your people, which is great. And the next step in this process is to create a course. Now, you likely know that it takes a lot more time to work with people one-on-one than it does to give them a course. When it comes to saving yourself time and making more money, you want to get to the position where you create a course to solve problems for your people. You can create the course once and sell it many times. A great time saver, money maker, and value for your audience. The thing with courses is they're a great way to build your audience also. So you have two purposes. One is to give them a solution to a problem they're having without having to pay for more expensive one-on-one coaching. And the second is that you can use the course as an enticement to join your community, hence grow your list. The other benefit of creating a course is that it teaches you how to present your material in an effective and efficient manner, which makes the rest of your business more efficient as well, like content creation, since once you've created a course, you're more tuned to how to make the content in a manner that gets the point across effectively. Now, I know this was one of the hidden benefits that I didn't expect when I created my first course. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you some tips on how to save time and make some money in the process, which as a beginner or struggling online marketer is a great outcome, right? Now, if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want to know the basics of what's required to get set up the right way, I'm giving away access to a free training course called Affiliate Bootcamp that you can access by clicking the link in the description, and let's get you set up and started with affiliate marketing the right way and earning an income in the next 30 days. And if you're really serious and will pay attention because you want to make this a full-time income, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get some personal support to get you established quickly and on your way to the laptop lifestyle that you dream about. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to get access to the affiliate marketing training courses to get you started. Click the links in the description and let's build your business in the next 30 days. To continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to just let me know what you thought of this training, and I'll read all those comments and reply to everyone. And don't forget to get started with affiliate marketing, click the links in the description just down there and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.